Hi all. Thank you for helping our project. All links can be found in the description of this video. Dear viewer, I kindly ask you to give your royal thumbs up. Your like is extremely important for spreading the project GURU.Markets. Now we will analyze the main indicators of the corporation Snap Inc., ticker SNAP. This review was made using data as of August 5, 2024. By classification, GURU.Markets company Snap Inc. belongs to the subcategory. The Internet, 54 companies take part in the assessment, which is very representative. We start with general information about the company. If you're interested, you can put it on stop. You can study each indicator of the corporation under study more carefully. Access to the database with the structure of company tickers is absolutely free and open. We kindly ask you to share the link to the security analysis with your friends. Thank you very much for your repost, as well as various other help. It all greatly helps the work. Market capitalization of the company Snap Inc. valued at $15.36 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $3,619 billion. Snap Incorporated accounts for a share of 0.424%. It is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $1.67 billion. The subcategory's balance sheet capitalization is $343 billion. Snap Incorporated accounts for a share of 0.487%. Having made a comparison of the shares of the exchange and book value, we will see the following. Occupied share Snap Incorporated in a subcategory when assessing market value is 0.424%. The book value is 0.487%, which is 15% more than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the company's share of the market and book value of the subcategory. Good 1 point. Final company assessment Snap Incorporated will be presented at the end of the video. Please look at the logic of the study to the end. The financial liabilities of the organization under study amount to $3.423 billion. Financial liabilities to book value amount to 205% of capital. Result on the company's financial obligations, very bad, -2 points. The ratio of a company's market value to its profit corresponds to 0. While the average in the subcategory is 25, which is worse than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$1,170 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. And this is extremely negative for the company's price. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Balance of company value to revenue 3.1. The average for the subcategory is 6.3, which is 51% lower than for the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $4,980 million. Forecasted revenue for the coming 12 months is unknown. This is extremely negative for the company's prospects. An assessment of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Bad, -1 point. If you are interested in such analytics. In this case, we kindly ask you to subscribe to us and click on the bell. The margin is -23.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 25.2%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 48.7%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.283%. This is a 203% increase in market capitalization share. And this fact shows the discrepancy between the company's market price Snap Incorporated, most likely towards underestimation. The amount of capital per company employee is $2,900 and $4,000. And for the subcategory, $8,779,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 66.9%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit for each employee of the company is $0,000. With an average in the subcategory of $351,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The share of revenue for each employee of the company is $942,000. By subcategory, $1,391,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 48%. Estimation of sales volume per company employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions is 6.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 5%. This is a short squeeze risk indicator. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 15% for the company Snap Inc. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 44%. Technically, shares in the subcategory are valued higher than Snap Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Snap Incorporated and subcategory companies. We see that over 12 months, the company's shares Snap Incorporated showed a change of -14.7%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory, -3.9%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Before showing the total score, please kindly ask. Write your assessment of the company Snap Incorporated in the comment below. Your responses in the comments significantly contribute to the spread of the channel GURU.Markets. The overall result is as follows, -5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 0.4 points. If you look broadly, within the stock market as a whole, we will see that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against the score of -5 points from Snap Incorporated. Let's look at the order table, which is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions by the information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free, link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's security Snap Inc. Help System Guru.Markets. The following decision was made. Do not open a deal because Snap Inc. overvalued subcategory company. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system Guru.Markets. You truly are the coolest crowd in the world.